Physics can sometimes feel intimidating for many students. But what if we transform those so-called difficult chapters into a fun and engaging story? Convert complex concepts into animations? Explain everything step by step in a clear and detailed manner? Provide plenty of solved mathematical problems broken down step by step? If you don't understand a concept, we'll explain it in multiple ways until it clicks. If needed, we'll even create animations to help you visualize it. Struggling with a topic or stuck on a problem? Let us know. We offer many free resources to help you out. For example, if you're starting rotational dynamics, here's what we can do for you. First, let's start with a funny story. The tale of Sir Spin-a-Lot, the Knight of Rotational Dynamics. Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Physicsland, there was a brave knight named Sir Spin-a-Lot. He wasn't just any knight, he was cursed. Every time he tried to walk, he rotated instead. His quest? To master rotational dynamics before the evil wizard Torcus turned him into a permanent spinning top. See the interesting phrase, centripetal acceleration, work together like sidekicks. Now, we have summarized rotational dynamics in simple English without using any mathematical terms. See a sample animation explaining the direction of angular velocity, linear velocity, and the radius vector.
In this animation, we see an object performing circular motion. There are two arrows shown. The first arrow is connected tangential to the object, and the second arrow is connected perpendicular to the center of circle. The length of the arrow indicates how fast the object moves along the circumference of circle, and the arrowhead indicates direction of motion of the object. As the object moves, the length of the arrow increases, and the arrowhead points in different directions, which tells us that the object moves faster and faster in different directions. Here, the tangential arrow indicates the linear velocity, and the central arrow indicates the angular velocity.
Now you have a summarized version of each page of your textbook, ensuring you don't miss a single concept. We show all the related mathematical problems step by step.